Welcome in. Today I'm going to teach you how to hold your sticks, and I'm also going to teach you your first exercise. So put your hand out in front of you like this. If you wave like a baby would wave, we're built and designed for wrists to move in that position. That's the easiest technique for us to learn. It's called German grip. We're going to hold the stick like this, and you can see that my thumb and my finger are next to each other, and if I was to put a pin through, it would go through my finger and through my thumb, and it makes a nice little pivot point. If you hold your stick then upside down like this, and you let the back three fingers go, then you move your fingers like this, you're going to see it hits your hand. We can make a little bit of noise there, and we can try and start to move that stick. Well, most drummers are very good at moving their fingers up and down in this position, as well as some of the wrist movement. Now, the final part of the technique, if we imagine that this on the end of the stick here, this is the tip of the stick, the bead. If we imagine that's a basketball and we're bouncing it, if I hit the drum here, I'm going to hit the drum and have the stick bounce all the way back up, the same as a basketball would, right? So try now, start with the stick in the air, hit the drum, and let it bounce back up. Now your fingers just want to follow the stick as it comes back up, as if they're Velcro to the stick. As you get more comfortable, do a load in a row, and see if we can get vertical all the way back. Now our left hand is going to do exactly the same thing. It's called match grip because they match each other. We've got kind of a triangle sort of shape here in front of us. Our left hand, remember, finger and thumb next to each other. Our fingers are going to move the stick with a little bit of wrist motion, and we're going to do the basketball rebound. Now what we're going to do is we're going to play 8 with this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 8 with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do unisons. Unisons is where we hit the sticks exactly the same time. Now what we can start to do is we can start to feel if they feel any different to each other. They should feel exactly the same. What we're after is you want them to hit exactly the same moment. We want them to bounce back up to the same height. We don't want this sort of sound. We don't want one going way higher than the other. So try that, 8 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do 8 rights, 8 lefts, and then the unisons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unisons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do alternating. We're going to right hand, followed by left hand, followed by right hand, followed by left hand. And these are called single strokes, so they're going to sound and look like this. Again, I'm trying to pull all the way back. I'm bouncing them, and I want to go one after the other. Well, we're going to play something called 16th notes, which means in each bar of music we can fit 16 of these. We're going to start real simple. We're going to start with a word with 4 syllables. Caterpillar. Caterpillar, and we're just going to say caterpillar. Well, we just say caterpillar 4 times. Caterpillar, 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 caterpillar. Eventually we'll change that to 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, and that will fill a bar of music. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Caterpillar, 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 caterpillar. Well, those are 16th notes in what we were playing before. We're 8th notes, so they're going to feel, and they are actually going to be double the speed. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the left hand, 4, 5, 6, then both together. And then we're going to do double this speed, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole of the exercise. This exercise is on the Drumr app, so go get that app. You can see I've already got it in my favourite section. It's called 8 on a hand. It's actually from the marching area. If I go into here, I press play, we get a count in. In fact, let's go back to start. I've started that halfway through. Right, we get a count in. I've got a click going as well. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the left. Then both. And then singles. The rights. The lefts. The boths, and then right, left, 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 right, left. Now you can see on the app there's an extra note release. We get 4 counts, and then we get counted back in. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both singles. Back to the start again. Lefts, boths. Singles, and the release 2, 3, 4, and then we get click, 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 click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can go through that exercise playing the same speed. One of the things we often do on this is we want to see what our lowest speed is, and we want to work faster and faster. Now that might be fast for you guys, right? You're beginners, so let's drop that down to say 80 beats a minute, and let's start to work with our increasing tempo mode. So I'm going to go from 80 and I'm going to try and go all the way up to say 202. Every time we do one rep of the exercise, so after the release, we're going to jump it up by, well, 10's pretty good, right? Because I can change the tempo here. Let's say 12 beats per minute. If I close this, I go back to the start and we begin it. I get the count in. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both. And single strokes. Repeats. As you can see on the app screen, you can follow the cursor along. Both. Singles. So that was 80 beats a minute. I get release, it plays 4 more 80, then it's going to speed up by 12 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both. Singles. Right. Left. Both. Singles. Right, I've got 4 more at night 2 and it's going to go up 12. 1, 2, so 104. As we get faster on drums, we tend to get a little bit lower and more relaxed. So go try that. Try the app, find your slowest tempo. It doesn't matter if your slowest tempo is 40 and you can only go to 45. Because guess what? What you'll do the next day is you'll set the metronome to go from 40 to 46. And the next day, 40 to 47. Eventually, you're going to get faster and faster. As drummers get faster, you're going to see that they're using the rebound. And they get a little bit lower as they get faster. Go try it. Don't forget, we've got German grip, wrist, fulcrum, where the stick fits. We've got fingers moving the stick. And we've got match grip, which means they both copy each other for that matched grip.